Ay, guwak na lang ba? What is the sound of a dog? What is the sound of a snake? What is the sounds of a lion? What is the sounds of a duck? What is the sounds of an elephant? What is the sounds of a parrot? Huh? What is the sounds of a parrot? Huh? What is the sounds of an ant? What is the sounds of a sheep? What is the sounds of an horse? What is the sounds of a cow? What is the sounds of a dinosaur? What is the sounds of a lion? What is the sounds of a cat? What is the sounds of a rooster? What is the sounds of a monkey? What is the sounds of a fish? What is the sounds of a fish? What is the sound of a fish? Here I am, how do you do? What is the sounds of a fish? Ha? Sige na. Baby shark, do do do. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Papa finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Lola finger, where are you? Here I am,
Count.
how do you do?
Ina-count.
Touch lang, touch the star. Sige na, touch the star. Touch the star, baby. Touch the star. Touch the heart. Touch the moon. Touch the heart. Touch the moon. Very good. Touch the oval. Oval. Touch the moon again. Touch the oval. Touch the round. Round. Very good. Touch the diamond. Round lagi na the diamond. Touch the diamond. Touch the square. Very good. Touch the triangle. Triangle. Rectangle muna. Rectangle. Touch the triangle. Touch the cone. Touch the cone. Very good. Touch the triangle. Touch the cone. Very good. Touch the triangle. What is that? Square. Where's the triangle? Touch the square.
Very good.
Touch the triangle.
Triangle, baby. Very good.
Touch the rectangle. Rectangle. Where's the rectangle? Dun Na rectangle good. Sana.
Touch the apple.
Touch the apple ka.
Touch the apple.
Touch the apple. Wa, may ant dira.
Touch
Apple lang.
apple. Yan na.
Touch the apple. The elephant. Touch the elephant.
Very
Touch
good.
the ice cream.
Touch the ice cream. Achilles.
Touch the ice cream. Yun na.
Where's the ice cream? Very good.
Touch the nest. Nest. Touch the ball. Ball.
Touch the ball. Where's the ball? Very good.
Touch the cat.
Very good.
Touch the dog. Touch the dog.
Where's the dog? Very good.
Touch the horse.
Where's the horse?
Oh, lion.
Lion.
Touch the parrot. Touch the parrot.
Hindi touch parrot. Yan na. Very good. Asang parrot? Asang parrot? Very good.
Touch the sheep. Sheep. A giraffe. Touch the giraffe.
Very good.
Touch the orange. Touch the sheep. Where's the sheep?
Asang sheep? Touch the yak lang, B. Where's the yak?
Oh, the bird. Touch a bird.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Touch the yak.
Yak. Where's the yak?
Key.
Okay.
Oh, very good. Key. Oh, key na yun na.
Vegetables. Touch the vegetables. Touch the vegetables. Kellys. Touch the vegetables.
Where's the vegetables, baby? Uy. Yun na.
Sidok.
Isidok ang tig-answer ay.
Touch the mango. The manga. Touch the manga. Where's the manga?
Touch the vegetable. Watch lang, be. Asang watch?
Watch.
Asang watch? Asang watch? O is for
Very good. N is for N. N is for nest. Touch the nest. Di man mouse. E man to ang mouse. Good. N man N. N is for nest. Touch the quail. The quail.
oo lang, bibi.
May klaro. Wow, dahil yun nung kay Kalibang mo.